So what we're gonna do is that, suppose we will assume that we have a system and we have some incoming client's request, and what our system will be doing is that it will be taking the client request and will be returning a response after some processing and computation. Like, it will take the client request, it will do some processing. If it requires the data from the database, it will fetch the data from the database and process the response, and it will finally return it to the client. So what's currently happening is that initially our system is handling very less clients requests. So it's about 10 to 20 clients requests coming up per day. So we don't need to think much about scaling. So what should we do currently? Like, how should our architecture look like? So if we see in the next slide, so basically our architecture can look somewhat like this. It's a very naive architecture, I know. We have two components only. One is the application server, where the business logic resides, and another is the database server, where obviously the data resides. How many requests a single Spring Boot application handle? Okay, so currently, Gaurav, we are um, focusing on 10 to 20 clients requests. We will be scaling it as we move ahead with the presentation. Yeah. So what happens is that what happening here is the architecture is taking some clients requests. It is the clients are sending its request to the application server, and then application server is communicating with the database server, and after that it is processing the response and it is returning it to the client.